Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for those who are returning, and for anyone who's new, hi, my name is Izzy. Today's video I'm going to use the DYSON AIRWRAP on my shorter hair. Some of you may have seen my previous videos on the DYSON AIRWRAP, but obviously my hair was a lot longer then. Now, it is a little bit trickier to use the DYSON AIRWRAP on shorter hair, so I just thought it would be a nice video to do so that you can see how it looks on shorter hair. And let's just jump straight into it. I mean, my hair is fairly dry anyway, but I'm just going to give it a quick blast with the hairdryer attachment. Concentrating it on the roots more than anything else. And that will probably do. And then I'm just going to section my hair. So for today, I'm going to use the 30mm shorter barrels. Only because I don't have the long barreled 30mm. I've only got the 40mm in the long barrels, and I feel like that's a little bit too wide for my length of hair. I am going to be buying the 20mm barrels, and I will do a video, but Dyson are out of stock of them, and I don't believe they're going to get them back in stock until around mid-February. So you'll have to wait a little bit of time to get my review on those. So yeah, as I say, I'm going to use the 30mm barrels today. And a lot of you who have seen my video will know I like to do one half of my hair first and then change the barrel and do the other half. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to split my hair in half. It's a bit tangly. And I'm going to tie up this half because I'm not going to do this half yet. So I tend to work from the back sections and come forwards. And you'll see when you're using it, it's just a little bit harder to get the hair around first off, but it's not terrible. It's just this first part that's a little bit harder. What's really funny is I actually find using the DYSON AIRWRAP takes longer with shorter hair than it does with longer hair. No, I've got myself tangled up there. Back to the back. So I still try and hold a little bit out so that it can grab onto it. But you'll probably find a lot more random bits of hair get stuck in it. But it's not terrible. And I still sort of move the AIRWRAP up and back a bit, and we still want to use that cold shot. The cold shot's super important. I do get a lot of people ask me how to make their curls last longer, because they find that when they use their AIRWRAPs, the curls are dropping out. What I would say is probably if your curls are dropping out, you probably haven't actually got it to 100% dry. You've probably only got it to 90% dry. So if you are someone who's struggling keeping the curls in, just try having your AIRWRAP on for another 5 seconds on the hot and see whether that makes a difference. Because that, literally my curls stay in to the next day as well, so it could be that that makes a bit of difference for you. Or just pulling the AIRWRAP down slightly like this so it's getting all along the hair. I actually do it as well because it gets a bit warm on my neck, so I like to pull it away from my neck. You can see you're getting those nice tight curls. And we've just got this one to do. I like to hold the hair back as well so that the curled hairs aren't actually getting stuck in it. And then do cold shot. And there you have your nice tight curl. I'm excited to get the 20mm one because I really think it will make a good lot of difference. What I will say as well is I do think that the long barrels are better because you can get wider sections of hair. Even if your hair is short, you can just get more done with the longer barrels. You can see you've got those nice curls. Right, I will style that in afterwards, but what I like to do now is just leave that for the curls to cool down. So I don't brush this side out until I've done the other side. So we've got pretty wacky, crazy hair right now, but I'm going to just let my hair cool down before I brush it out. We've got so much fringe on this side. I just need to pin it ever so slightly back. But that is the air wrap on a shorter hair, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I think it's brilliant. And I just, yeah, really wanted to show you guys that it works on short hair too, so don't be afraid if you're thinking about getting the Dyson Airwrap and you have short hair. Don't be afraid to get it and experiment with it. I do think that probably the long 20mm barrels will be a really good option for shorter hair. I will do a video on it as soon as I can get my hands on the 20mm barrels. But for now, guys, that is the end of my video. I'm not going to put any hairspray in because this will stay put all day. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that the video was useful. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys again in a video really, really soon. Don't forget, I upload every Monday and Saturday. Bye.